Does anyone else feel like an idiot when they're first recording their first ever YouTube channel video and you feel like everyone can hear you, which is like the can, my parents in the other room and I know they can hear me and it's making me sweat a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, anyway, so if you're new to my channel, I suppose, and you don't know me, I'm Leah, spelled L-E-Y-A, but not pronounced Leia, just FYI. So basically, in a nutshell, I'm doing this video because I entered the NYX professional makeup competition for the Face Awards for UK and Ireland. Now, as you can see, I'm in my room. It's not the biggest of rooms. I don't have like studio space or anything like that. So I had to improvise. So I'm there with my mum's ironing board to use as a desk. This camera, my ring light in front of me, and then I just literally created my entry. So yeah, basically I entered my wooden doll look. If you haven't seen it, then it's on my Instagram and Delilia Rocks blogger, and that's L-E-L-U-R-O-X-X and then blogger, one word. I had a phone call and yeah, they told me, they were like, it's good news, you made it to the top 20. I was literally like, what? Like, are you mad though? Like, are you serious? This is huge for me, and yeah, I'm so grateful and I'm so honoured, and even if I don't get any further than this is like amazing for me. But yeah, so basically because I've obviously got to the top 20, they've kindly sent me a load of makeup. Now when I say a load, I mean a load. Are you ready for this? And it's really heavy and I've got aching muscles right now, so it's really hard for me to pick up. Okay, so that is the box. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this now. And what else is so cool on here, you're not gonna be able to see it, but on the actual tag, you're probably not gonna see it, but it actually says congratulations Leah, and it says I can't even read it. You're in the top 20, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna open it now and show you everything that's inside. So I haven't actually opened this, I haven't looked, I don't know what's inside properly, so this is going to be pretty mad. So yeah, right, I'm going to open it now. I'm keeping this forever. When I have kids, I'll be like, look what your mama did, look what your mama did. Oh no, they've tied like a proper knot into this. Okay, watch me break my feeble nails now. Okay, we're getting in, we're getting in. Okay, so we've got bubble wrap, guys, bubble wrap. This light is literally giving me like, you know when you get like, have a flash of a camera in your eyes? I've got that right now. So I can't even see, I hope this is in focus. I could cry a little bit, I'm not even joking. You should see how much makeup is in here. I'm gonna have to try and hold it up. Shit me. Okay, so, this is amazing. I love NYX. By the way, literally I probably own half of NYX. I buy their products all the time, and if you don't use, whoever's watching this, if you don't use their glitters, you need to use their glitters. Their glitters are amazing. I love their stuff. But yeah, I've practically got a lot of their products, so this is just immense. But I'm going to try and show it you. You're probably not going to see it very well, and I hope I don't tip it away because I'm really clumsy. It's like full in that little black box as well. In there, it's full. It's going to take me hours, so I've got to do like this face chart thing with my look. This is going to test my art skills to the max because yeah, I can't draw. So I've got this and it says congratulations, you're in the top 20. We're so excited to have you as part of the NYX Professional Makeup UK and Ireland Face Awards 2018. I've got rings in my eyes, like I can't see properly. Thank you so much for your amazing entry video and huge congratulations on making it through to the top 20. Whoop whoop! We can't wait, they didn't put that whoop whoop in, that was me. We can't wait to follow your journey through the competition. The theme for the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam. I swear this was made for me. I swear down. We hope you love all the products we have sent to help you create your next look. Of course, like, seriously. I literally want to cry. I can't look because I'm actually going to cry a little bit. For the next round, you're required to post an unboxing video onto your YouTube channel, which is what I'm doing. Probably going to be the worst video in history, so I apologise now. Post a 90-second makeup tutorial on your YouTube channel demonstrating how you created your Animal Kingdom Glam look and which NYX professional makeup products you used, which is also what I'm going to do. And I'll be doing it this weekend hopefully if everything that I need arrives in time, which means I'm going to have to order it tonight. Anyway, we also need to post a 60-second edit on your Instagram page, of course, along with some still images so you can regram and share with our community. How to the yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But I'm really nervous as well, like really nervous. I'm not used to stuff like this. I'm not even used to this. This is just weird for me. I feel awkward. This is what I'm like around boys. Oh, please make sure you get a high-res photo of your final look. We'd love for you to display... Oh, we would also love for you to use the face chart provided to plan your look. We'd love to display these at the live final. Yay! I can't wait to see the look you create. Neither can I. I feel a little bit sick of my mouth, I'm not going to lie. Oh god, my work is going to be cut out for me. Okay, so now I've got to go through all this stuff. Okay. This is going to take forever. Okay, right. So, we've got the highlight and contour cream pro palette. I can't believe I own this makeup, I'm sorry. So this is what it looks like. It's going to come in handy. Oh yeah, Redken. Is it Redken? 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 See, I'm really bad at stuff like this. Redken. It's Redken, right? Okay, so I think they're the official sponsors for this. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's correct. So we've got some hair products. Now, I've got quite a bit of hair going on, so hair products are always welcome. So this is hairspray. Oh, this is going to be good. Back combing finishing spray. Hallelujah. Yay! Okay, I don't know where to start. There's so much in here. Oh, I'm not even joking. Like, so much. I just don't know where to start. This is so weird. Okay, so we've got foundations. They're Total Control. Now, they're in quite a few shades. I don't know where all the shades are. So this is going to have to be done in like bits and bobs because it's not going to be done in order because it's just literally everywhere. Oh my god. The stuff in here that I love. Okay, I'm not going to pronounce this name because I can't pronounce it. Redken, okay. Glistening mist. What's this? You've got glitter in here. What is this? Shine? Okay. I like a bit of shine. Oh my god. Okay, so we've got a lot of... I'm hoping there's a white in here. I'm hoping there's a white. Because otherwise I'm a little bit screwed. So, yeah, we've got all these special effects. Cream colours. Face and body paint. I've got so much glitter. This is ridiculous. Okay, we've got an setting special effects or SFX powder. Okay, we've got black. Everything but the white. So we've got some makeup whites, which I'm blatantly going to be needing. Oh my god, look at those. Can you see them? I'm so excited. I feel a little bit sick. You know, you're at Christmas and you're like, you wake up and go downstairs and you're like, oh my god, it's Christmas Day. This is what it feels like when you have that bit of sickness because you're that excited. There's so many cool lashes. Oh my goodness. This girl loves her glitter. Gonna find the one, get the ones that I can see. The what are these? Pigments. Right, I've got most of these glitters anyway. But this is so cool. Okay, we've got a hell of a lot of glitters. And anyone that knows me knows that I have glitter on my eyes all the time. There's pigments, they're new pigment. Oh yes, my copper one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So excited. I'm really hoping this is in focus, otherwise I'm screwed. Right, okay, and these are what I'm really excited about because I have never seen them in the shop. So this is like pure. Oh, okay, we've got the pigment primer as well. I've got the glitter glue already. So that is cool. We've got the Vivid Brights cream colour. I think it's an eyeliner. I don't know if you can use it as a base for eyeshadow. Well, I'm dropping it everywhere. But we've got all these. So these are so cool. They're like white eyeliner, like kohl pencils, but they've got like a hint of like the faux whites, that's what they're called, and they've got like a hint of colour in them. So like when you put them in your waterline, they'll be white, but they'll have like a hint of pink or I don't know, yellow. Oh my god, these are so cool. Oh, hang on, these are oh, hang on. These are lid. I'm mistaken. I have not read this. These are lids. These are for eyes then. These are for eyes. Could use them as a lipstick maybe. Oh my god, I didn't even know they had these. This is so cool. These are going to come in so handy. Oh, okay, it stops recording all the time. Okay, and this is a lip oil. Okay, we've got lip products. So we've got the soft matte, metallic cream. We've got the Epic ink liner. Now I've heard good things about this and I really want to try it. Because this girl again loves her eyeliner. What's this? We've got a lot of brow products. Now, my brows, so they're really blonde. And I look like a hard-boiled freaking egg when I take my eyebrows off. Now, if I left this eye makeup on and had my eyebrows off, I'd look hella weird. Really weird. But it's because I've got blonde eyebrows, so I have to draw them in. I'm really sorry. So we've got a bit of, this is, they did, what? Okay, this is Gloomy Days, this one. Can you see? Anyway, we've got these 3 steps to sculpt. Got fair, medium, light, deep. Getting deep down here. Okay. Got another, okay, so we've got some more of their Perfect Filter shadow palettes. This one is Golden Hour. You see it? Like, it's warm. That's all you need to know, it's warm. Olive View. Something I'd come out with. Okay. I can't tell because literally the light is literally shining in my face. It's brighter than the sun right now. That's all. I like this one. Okay. Oh god, my back is killing me. Oh, okay. I've always wanted to try these as well. Illuminating powders. Okay, Cherish Bloom and Snow Rose. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Ooh. And we've got a Born to Glow palette. Just a highlighting palette, there's no particular name to it. It's just got kind of numbers on it. So I guess I'll just be using them for anything. Or I might Google. But there's that. Ooh, that is going to be good for foundation. Right, okay. Okay, we've emptied everything. So whoa. Like, I love doing makeup. And it's only recently that I started getting into kind of more theatrical. Now I'm quite extra AF. Probably can't, well, can you tell in this video? Who knows? And I'm pretty quirky. So I thought, you know, let's put that into my makeup. But thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup for seeing my entry, picking my entry, featuring my entry, sending me all this stuff. And now I get to do it all over again for the next round. And be super creative and hella weird, and I just want my makeup, I think, to project my thought pattern and my personality. I'm probably going to be obviously uploading to this channel a fair bit if I carry on in the competition, so I'd love it obviously if you could support me and subscribe and like my video. So I'll see you in the next video for my top 10 challenge. Good luck to all the other contestants because I know they're going to be bloody amazing. Good luck to myself. Hashtag pray for Leah. Because yeah, I'm up against some amazing people. So I'm going to say goodbye now. I don't know how to sign these things off. I'm going to say goodbye. And yeah, I'm so excited. See ya.